YouTube. I got this CTS. I got this Cadillac CTS roof. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Now, originally I was gonna put it in my OBS. I don't know, I might sell it. Now I got everything to it. Got the headliner, got the roof, the controls. So this is a complete roof. I don't know what to do with it. Part of me want to put it in my truck bad as hell. And another part of me want to just go ahead and put it on the market. I don't know, you two, y'all tell me what y'all think. But yeah, man, got everything for this roof. Headliner, roof. This roof almost the same size as a G6 roof. It just open different and it don't got 4 glasses. Shade work and all. Y'all see the shade in that, baby? Yeah, boy. Shade work and all on this roof, man. I like how when it open, it go up under that glass versus going on top. I like that. And you can vent it. See, I like this roof. I don't know if I want to keep it, if I want to sell it. Hard to decide, hard to decide. Decisions. I don't know though, y'all let me know what y'all think. Cause my plan is to put that baby in here. On the white OBS. That's why I've been sitting on it for so long. I just can't afford to have my baby down right now. Even though it probably won't take me nothing about a good week. But I literally have to take all the interior out just to get that headline out. Because the way the interior panels is in the back, you gotta take all the side parts out just to get the headliner out. So I end up just clearing all the interior out just to do this job. So right now, I'm stuck. I don't know whether I want to do it or not. But you know what I'm saying? That's my baby. That's my baby right there. That's my workhorse. But I still want my workhorse to look good. Still got some plans on doing some customizations to her. Cause like I said, that's my baby. Ever since I did the LS swap, she been running. No problems, no issues. 3 years strong. So yeah, she definitely gonna get some goodies too. I'm just stuck, man. I'm stuck. I'm gonna upload this video, get y'all opinion. Y'all tell me what y'all think I should do. Should I slap this baby in the truck or sell it? Now I know it's gonna be somebody that want a roof job that's gonna be like, sell it to me. So I'm already preparing myself for them too. So for those that's gonna holler, sell it to me, you can get it for $700. It come with everything. It come with the headliner. It got the shade. Got the thing. Got the skin. And they got the control. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. Keep it, put it in the OBS, or sell it. I'm gonna let y'all make the decision. However many votes I get in about a good week of the video being posted, that's the vote we're gonna go with. But yeah, if you want to buy it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this shit short right now. Anybody that's gonna scream, let me buy it, $700 you can get all that. Headliner, roof, control. It all come in the package. I ain't separating nothing. It all come together. All this came out. Well, it ain't come out the same car. I got that out of a different car. But it was the same color. So it come together. I'm over here tidying up a few little things on summer rain. I just wanted to test this baby out. Make sure everything is everything. They got all the little things right here for the drains on it. Just gotta get your own drain hoses. Goddamn spider. But yeah, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Y'all hop off in the comments. Tell me what y'all think I should do with this baby. Keep it, put it in the OBS, or sell it. Make some money on off of it. Let me know. Yes, sir. You know, somebody want me to, if you want to buy it and you want me to install it, $700, $1,000 for the install. So that'll be $1,700. And I'm gonna need at least half of that down when I start the job. That's just for security, just to make sure you ain't bull jiving me. And to get a few supplies. I have to get like the drains, the relays, some extra wires, make sure I get everything ran correctly. But yeah, man, if you want to buy it, $700. You want me to install it, $1,000. Add them together, $1,700. But yeah, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. Cause I'm stuck right now. I'm stuck. Probably end up selling it, man. Like I said, man, I don't want my baby. I can't have my baby down right now. Know what I mean? I can't afford to have her down. Like I said, it won't take me nothing about a week or two with me having to take all the interior stuff out, but still, I can't afford to have my baby down right now. So yeah, $700 for all that. You got an extra band on top of that, I'd install it for you. Now, only thing I won't be able to install is that headliner. I recommend taking the headliner to a upholstery shop so they can get you right. I did the one on my bubble, it ain't come out to my liking. I actually customized the stock bubble headliner to try to fit around the G6 roof. It did not come out right. So I do have an extra G6 headliner that I'm gonna install in there and try to customize that. I ain't got around to doing that yet, but like I said, zero experience at getting one of them to go in and look right. So I recommend taking that to an upholstery shop and get them to handle that. But it got the trim right there. That trim piece right there come off. But it got the trim. It's everything. $700 is yours. $1,700 is yours, and I'll install it. With that being said, man, like, share, comment, subscribe, jump off in the comments, give me some feedback, tell me what y'all think I should do with it. I'm out. Peace.